Did you know that every single night while your body is actually sleeping, your soul has the ability to travel beyond your physical world and return to you completely recharged, energized, and aligned? Guess what? Most people wake up tired not because their body did not rest, but because the energy body, what ancient traditions actually call the astral body, never truly got to expand and breathe. So today I'm going to be teaching you an exact step-by-step practice that will allow you to consciously enter the astral state and come back filled with the kind of energy that no amount of coffee or sleep alone can give you. So what is the step number 1? Before you even attempt to enter the astral state, you must first relax your physical body completely. And this is where most people fail. They try to project while still they are carrying the tensions in their head, in their muscles, the noise in their mind. So just lie down flat on the back, arms by your sides, and begin to scan your body from the top of your head to the tip of your toe. Every place wherever you're feeling that tightness, maybe your jaw, your shoulder, your chest, just consciously breathe into it and release. In fact, tell that part of your body that I am safe. Yes, I'm safe, and I'm now ready to just let go. I am ready to let go. Do this until your physical body feels almost invisible to you, like as if it has just melted into the surface beneath you. Okay, this is your launch pad. Without this, nothing else is going to work. So what is the step number 2? This is the gateway step, and it requires your complete focus. Once your body is fully relaxed, bring all of your attention to the space just behind your closed eyes. Not what you see, but the darkness itself. Then breathe slowly. And as you hold this focus, you will start to notice a tingling, a kind of a vibration, a buzzing sensations which is moving through your body. This is called the hypnagogic state, the threshold between your waking world and your astral realm. So at this time, do not get excited, do not tense up, because excitements pull up your body instantly. Just simply observe these sensations like a calm witness. Let these vibrations grow. Let them intensify. You are not failing. You are rising over here. And step number 3. Once the vibration becomes strong, it is now time to separate. So imagine a rope hanging just above you. With your mind only, not your physical hands, reach up and grab that rope. Begin to pull yourself upward, hand over hand. Feel yourself lift up, rise up, peeling away from your physical body like a gentle second skin. Some people feel a small pop or a click at the moment of separation. Others simply find themselves standing beside their own body. Both is completely normal, remember that. So once you feel yourself free, do not look back at your body immediately. Instead, step by step, just move forward into the light, into the space that opens up before you. This is, my dear, the astral plane. This is where limitless energy lives. So what is your step number 4 now? Now that you are in the astral state, you are just not floating, you are actively in the receiving state. So set an intention before you close your eyes each night that I am entering this space to be healed, to be refilled, and to return renewed and fresh. Okay? Imagine yourself moving towards a brilliant, warm source of golden light. Let it just wash over you completely. Feel it replenish every layer of you, your mental body, your emotional body, your spiritual core. Spend as long as you can naturally spend in this space. Alright? When your body is only ready, then you will return on its own, gently, softly, like a tide coming home. And when you wake up, you will start feeling it, my dear. And this is not imagination. This is the real energy of the universe flowing back through you. So start this practice tonight only and tell me in the comments what did you experience during your very first attempt. I'm genuinely curious to know this. And if this has helped you, then definitely share it with a friend who needs this kind of deep restoration in their bodies. She deserves it too, right?